Upper Horizon, green. Carson, I'm gonna go ahead just to point at the trail that we're gonna take, so I'm gonna just bomb it.
Just make a left and then make another left?
Yeah, it's pretty simple, but I'm just gonna make sure he knows where he's going, so. I'm just gonna go to the sign to tell you which way we go. It's a nice one. Perfect for beginners. Deep trail flow. Step strap in. Upper Horizon. Yeah, we're headed to Granite, guys. Granite, fun trail, fun terrain. Be gooders here. I love skiing, yeah. But just some news, we'll be at Bel Air again this Sunday, the 12th. January, be at Bel Air, so it's gonna be a fun one. More videos then. Right now we stand. I'll probably cut this out of the video, guys. So.
That's how we GoPro?
Yeah, GoPro.
It's our GoPro. You gonna post it?
Yeah, YouTube.
Got followers?
Blew up one short, 5,000. We're close to.
I think it'd be tough if I went off a jump and I hit a 360 and then fell.
That would be tough. That would be.
I'm not going down. Ain't no fair.
Gotta get that on video.
I ain't go down no fair.
You mean it?
Alright, I'm just gonna go between you guys.
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I know, Jesus. Ow! What the fuck? Stop! Stop! Isaac, go somewhere. Get over here! Now, Luda got.
Uh-oh. Yeah, we know where we're going. How far is Carson behind?
Last time I checked, he is the first boot in.
First boot. All right, he goes fast though. He actually is fast for a beginner. Oh my lord. He'll be fine on Charlie Run. I know it.
Yeah.
I'm not worried about Charlie's Run. I'm worried about Garden State more so.
That is what I'm worried about too.
Charlie's Run's flat, and then it's got like one steep part, and then it's flat.
Yeah.
If it's icy though, that's a little.
I mean, like, what is our plan when we get to the top of
Granite?
Are we just gonna go down that?
We're just gonna go down Osprey and Garden State. Okay. Because since Grand Prix is not open, I'm not heading back down to Granite.
Yeah.
Where the heck's Carson? Oh, there's Carson.
No, because what we could do, if Carson can't go
Wait,
down...
slow down. Oh, shoot. Carson. Foxtail, blue.
Matt, if Carson can't go down Garden Street, then you can just send him this way.
Yeah, no, the green's right here.
Yeah.
Unless he wants to try if that's the big thing. If he gets scared and nervous and not good on Charlie's Run, we'll just send him down the green. Only problem is the green's a bit of a hike. You gotta go uphill. But I have full confidence that he'll be able to do it. Like I'm pretty sure he'll be able to. All right, Carson, go left on Charlie's Run. Left. This is it. This one should be a green. right, go left. Then slow down. Charlie's run, blue. Oh yeah. Carson, that you got close to the toe turn. You were so close. Where's Nick? There's Nick. Hold up, wait, I'm gonna. That's Scooche over here.
Oh yeah.
So
You see that?
P.S. This one's got one steep spot at the end.
Oh shit, yeah, I forgot, right?
But if
How steep is it?
it's not that bad, it's like Great Northern. Good job, good job. Oh yes, P.S. Carson. That's south over there. You see all those lights? Yeah. That's south. Yeah, that's why we're not going there. What? Alright, you want to go a little slower. We're coming up to the steep part. Alright. It's not as steep as it looks. It's nowhere near as steep as it looks. Good. Oh yeah, Carson! Okay, slow down, slow down, slow down. Carson, what? You know how I said that was just about the same as Great Northern? Yeah. That was steeper than Great Northern. Alright, this is Doe Run. This one's easy, this is flat. Where's Nick? There's Nick. Alright, we're good, let's go. Doe Run, blue.